Moving on. The horrific Pahalgam terror attack has once again exposed Pakistan's role as the epicenter of global terrorism. With 26 innocent lives lost, the world can no longer turn a blind eye to Islamabad's state-sponsored terror machinery. India's decisive actions send a firm message: enough is enough. From London to Paris, the Indian diaspora is rising, demanding justice and accountability. The bloodshed must end and the world must unite to isolate and act against the terror networks thriving on Pakistani soil.
The barbaric terror attack in Pahalgam, which claimed 26 innocent lives, has shocked the global community. Carried out by Pakistani-backed terrorists, the assault is a grim reminder of Islamabad's ongoing support for cross-border terrorism. In response, India has taken unprecedented measures, suspending the Indus Waters Treaty, sealing the Atari-Wagah border, and halting visa services for Pakistani nationals, signaling zero tolerance for state-sponsored terror. World leaders, including those from the US, UK, and Russia, strongly condemned the attack and targeting of civilians. Meanwhile, the Indian diaspora is rallying in support. In London, demonstrators gathered outside India House, waving the national flag and protesting against Pak-sponsored terrorism.
We are really saddened by what has happened, and that's why we have come over here to support our Indian community that lives abroad. But our hearts are always with our motherland, and it's happening again and again, and that's what saddens us. We are doing a peaceful demonstration over here. I know there are people from the other side standing over there shouting slogans, instigating us, but that's not us. We are here to tell them that they have to stop terrorizing us. We do not support this. Please go away, and if you have to do something, do in your own.
The protest in London sent a clear message. Pakistan can no longer mask its complicity. Its soil breeds terror, and the world is watching.
मैं एक भारतीय नागरिक हूँ और जम्मू कश्मीर के एक हिंदू हूँ। आज मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ क्योंकि जो पहलगाम में टेररिस्ट अटैक हुआ है, जिसको पाकिस्तान ने करवाया है, पाकिस्तानी टेररिस्ट आतंकवादी इन्वॉल्व थे, उसके खिलाफ यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए आई हूँ। जम्मू कश्मीर में ये पहला हादसा ऐसा नहीं है आतंकी जो पाकिस्तान ने कराया हो। ऐसे बहुत से हादसे हो चुके हैं, ऐसे बहुत से बार प्राणकोट, डड्डीकोट में, राजौरी के डांगरी में, जहां पर हिंदुओं की शिनाख्त करके उनको पहचान के सिलेक्टिव टारगेटिंग की गई है। जैसा पहलगाम में हमने देखा कि उनको कहा गया कि आप बताइए आप कौन से धर्म से हैं, ये चेक किया गया कि वो कौन से धर्म से हैं, उनको कुछ कुछ पढ़ने के लिए बोला गया।
Not just in London, but the Indian diaspora around the world has been staging protests in response to the incident. From Canada to France and beyond, anger runs deep within the Indian diaspora.
Citizens ਨੂੰ ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਮਾਰਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਬਹਾਦਰੀ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। ਅਤਵਾਦ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਧਰਮ ਹੈ, ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਈਮਾਨ ਹੈ। अतवाद की सिर्फ एको बोली है, वो है गोली। इन्हां दे विच इन्नी हिम्मत नहीं है कि हिंदुस्तान की फौज का सामना कर सकन। किसी भी अतवाद ना कि पाकिस्तान की आर्मी दे विच भी ये हिम्मत नहीं है कि हिंदुस्तान की फौज का सामना कर सकन।
For decades, Pakistan has harbored, funded and trained terror groups to destabilize the region. From Pahalgam to Pulwama, the blood trails leads back to Islamabad. No denial or diplomatic spin can hide the truth. Pakistan has become a hub of terror, and the world is finally taking notice.